Did you know that the Earth's polar regions, locked in a perpetual freeze, are teeming with life? These icy landscapes, seemingly inhospitable, are home to an array of creatures uniquely adapted to survive and thrive in some of the harshest conditions on our planet. From the Arctic in the north to the Antarctic in the south, these polar extremes offer a glimpse into the remarkable resilience of life. The Arctic, characterized by sea ice surrounded by land, is home to iconic creatures like polar bears, the apex predators of this frozen realm. Meanwhile, the Antarctic, an icy continent surrounded by vast oceans, boasts emperor penguins, renowned for their incredible journeys across the ice to breeding colonies. These creatures, alongside a diverse cast of supporting characters, showcase the ingenuity of nature in the face of extreme cold, limited sunlight, and frozen landscapes. In the heart of the Arctic Circle, where the sun disappears for months on end during the long winter, life persists. Polar bears, with their thick fur and blubber layers, reign supreme on the ice floes, their powerful limbs propelling them across the frozen landscape in search of seals. These seals, in turn, rely on breathing holes in the ice, their sleek bodies designed for navigating the frigid waters beneath. But life in the Arctic extends beyond these iconic creatures. Beneath the surface of the ice, a hidden world teems with activity. Tiny crustaceans called krill form the base of the food chain, their enormous swarms providing sustenance for a variety of fish, birds, and even whales. On land, during the brief Arctic summer, the tundra bursts into life, a carpet of mosses, lichens, and dwarf shrubs providing sustenance for caribou, musk oxen, and Arctic hares. Venturing south to the Antarctic, we encounter a continent sculpted by ice and wind. Here, emperor penguins take center stage, their colonies scattered across the ice shelves. These remarkable birds endure months of darkness and freezing temperatures during the breeding season. Their huddled masses are testament to their cooperative spirit. Off the coast, a rich marine ecosystem thrives. Krill, those tiny crustaceans so vital to the Arctic food chain, are equally important in the Antarctic, supporting a vast array of whales, seals, and seabirds. Among these are the acrobatic humpback whales, their enormous mouths engulfing vast quantities of krill, and the leopard seals, their sleek bodies perfectly adapted for hunting penguins and other prey. Plant life in the Antarctic is limited, but mosses, lichens, and algae cling to life in sheltered areas, providing a splash of color against the stark white landscape. The creatures that inhabit the polar regions have evolved an array of remarkable adaptations to survive in these extreme environments. Thick fur, blubber layers, and the ability to slow down metabolism help animals conserve heat during the long, cold winters. Some animals, like the Arctic tern, undertake incredible migrations, traveling from pole to take advantage of the short summers and abundant food. Camouflage plays a crucial role, with animals like the Arctic fox and the snowy owl sporting white coats to blend in with the snow and ice, enabling them to ambush unsuspecting prey. The ability to survive on a diet of limited variety is another key adaptation, with polar bears relying heavily on seals and emperor penguins depending on krill as their primary food sources. These adaptations, honed over millennia, highlight the power of natural selection in shaping life to thrive in even the most challenging environments.